Thank you for reaching FDC4 production. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your eternal support. Thank you for your unquestionable loyalty. Thank you for sticking around always. Please don't forget to give me some likes and subscribe to this channel to keep receiving wonderful airdrops and opportunities that may increase your potential, increase your pockets, and benefit you in every single way. That's everything. You'll receive all these and you'll take advantage of all these for free. Having said this, let's go straight to business. You asked for it, you got it. As supplies and demand decided for. Earn with Saros. Saros Finance and Project Galaxy. Earn exclusive Sarosism NFT. Another airdrop. We are absolutely thrilled to announce that our very first NFT line, Sarosism, will be featured on Project Galaxy campaign, which is right here. Project Galaxy right there. Exclusive NFT Sarosism Chapter 1. This goes through July 20 and August 3rd. So you got plenty of time. You just started no more than 24 hours ago. So be the earliest birds to grab the Sarosism NFT Chapter 1. Community on Project Galaxy right there. Sarosism NFT collection. Let's actually read a little bit about this and try to understand further what you're getting into. The Sarosism NFT collection is meant to serve as a token of our gratitude and a contributor badge for community members joining us in our growth journey. Besides, each chapter may empower its holders with differing abilities in the later phase of Saros Finance. Chapter 1 Community is the first division of the Sarosism NFT collection, which I found really nice. The minting eligibility of each chapter is time-wise limited, meaning if you fail to complete the task during the campaign period, you won't be able to mint it. Event timeline, as explained before, is from July 20th all the way to August 3rd. You still have plenty of time. You just have less than 24 hours that begin. The minting time is from August 4th, starting August 4th on Project Galaxy Forum. So that's where you gotta do that military hours 2030. Okay, so that's gotta be I believe 8:30 o'clock UTC. All right, so let's go straight to the point. How can you join? You gotta finish all the tasks on Gleam during the event time. And let me see here. So the event details, the price is Sarosism NFT Chapter 1 Community. I think it's this right here. And the deadline, you already got it. The price structure. All qualified participants who have completed the required task will be eligible to mint Saros System NFTs on Galaxy platform within claimable period after the event ended. How to get the NFT? You gotta finish all the below tasks, which we're gonna go there in a minute. Note, RT, comment below the event announcement and tag 3 friends. We hashtag Sarosism, hashtag Saros NFT hashtags. Gotta download coin98.com/wallet. This is the URL, the NFT chapter 1 Sarosism community gleam.io. If you want to go there and find stuff there. So the tasks are extremely simple, and I'm gotta tell you, they are. You gotta follow Saros Finance Twitter. If you click to that link, it'll take you there. Retweet the event announcement and tag 3 friends with hashtag Sarosism, hashtag Saros NFTs hashtags. Subscribe to Saros Finance Telegram channel, self-explanatory. Join Saros Finance Discord community, explanatory too. Invite me, one friend, to join the event. Note, the above tasks can be finished in any order, and please complete all of them in time to be eligible to mint the Saros System NFT. Eligible participant list will be updated at the end of the event time so that you'll be able to visit the campaign page on Project Galaxy to mint. So, how can you mint? Visit Saros System NFT Chapter 1 community campaign page on the Project Galaxy platform. And this is what it's gonna look like. You know what? Let's go there. See? Exactly the same thing. Connect to wallet, you're not eligible, blah 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 blah. Okay? Alright. Connect your wallet to Project Galaxy and mint. If your connecting address is among the qualified participant addresses, you will be able to press a claim button to mint the NFT. Note, please use the address you filled in the Gleam, and be noted that you will have to pay the Solana network mining fee, which should be only a fraction of a cent. So it's nothing. Now, frequently asked questions. Why Saros System NFT? The answer is simple. Why not? With the release of Saros System, they expect to open up a whole new world of content and advanced feature on Saros. Where can I access the NFT campaign? The NFT campaign is hosted on Project Galaxy at limited exclusive Saros System Chapter 1 NFT community by Saros Finance Project Galaxy. Sorry about that. Will there be more NFT collection in the future? Absolutely. The creativity is endless at Saros, and we don't have the intention to end at one collection only. Of course, no. The idea of this type of stuff is to get into the spotlight. This is the way you can market, market your campaign. That's self-explanatory. Terms and conditions. Saros reserve the right to cancel or amend any activity rules at its sole discretion. And Saros reserve the right to final interpretation of this activity. About Saros Finance, Saros Finance is the ultimate DeFi platform native to Solana, with trading, staking, and yield farming devices built by Coin98 Labs. Saros Finance aims to adopt millions of users to DeFi. Alright? Look, I'm gonna leave it up to this point, but if you really wanna read all these, you can come and get access to this page. I'm gonna actually put the URL down below the video description so you can come and see it for yourself. If you have further concern, don't hesitate to let me know, and I really wish you the best. I hope you win. Please, if you actually participate or do get access, tell us your experience. How did you do? How did you do it so far? I mean, we're interested in finding out how did you do and how easy did it go for you. Okay, good luck. I wish you the best, and thank you for reaching again FTC4 production. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.